A resonance lab session is not a generalized treatment experience. It is a structural performance intervention built around precision, measurable change, and return towards anatomical neutral. Every session follows the same core framework: assessment, intervention, retest, return toward neutral. The sequence remains constant. Each phase has a specific purpose. Every intervention must be measurable. This is what makes the process repeatable. The first stage is assessment. Before any intervention begins, we need to understand how the body is currently organizing force, movement, and compensation. This includes posture, load distribution, breathing, movement quality, protective holding patterns, sensory and structural compensation loops. The objective is not simply to locate pain. The objective is to identify the structural pattern creating the symptom. The second stage is intervention. This is where we apply targeted negative pressure and controlled structural input. The goal is to alter fascial tensegrity, expose the compensation pattern, and begin structural recalibration. This is one of the major differences in our system. We are not simply reducing discomfort. We are altering the force architecture of the body. This phase may include negative pressure, directional input, controlled torsional force, and movement-guided recalibration. Each intervention is based on the map created during assessment. During this phase, we are addressing structural holding patterns, inefficient force transfer, and long-standing adaptation to environmental stressors. The third stage is retesting. This is one of the most important parts of every session. We return to the original movement pattern, the original restriction, the original symptom, and we measure change. Has movement improved? Has force transfer improved? Has the compensation loop reduced? Has the body moved closer to anatomical neutral? If the answer is yes, we know we are affecting the correct structural pattern. If not, the map is incomplete and assessment continues. This is what makes the process repeatable. We do not assume success, we measure it. A resonance lab session is built on observation, structural intervention, and measurable retesting. Not assumption, not generalized relaxation, precision. The goal remains the same in every session. Improved movement, improved force efficiency, improved load tolerance. Return toward anatomical neutral. This is what a resonance lab session is built to deliver.